Cloudy skies covered many parts of Telangana, with heavy rains lashing Nalgonda recently. The Hyderabad Meteorological Center forecast rains soon in Asifabad, Karimnagar, Siddipet, Hyderabad, Mahbubnagar, Sangareddy, Medak, and other districts. Gusty winds blowing at speeds of 40 to 60 km per hour are also expected across the state.
Follow us for more news updates.